Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda CBR650F. Beautiful inline 4-cylinder sport bike, liquid cooled, fuel injected, 80 horsepower in a beautiful package that's comfortable to ride. This bike is in beautiful shape with a super cool metallic, or rather matte metallic gray finish. Only 9,900 miles on this bike. It's got a fender eliminator kit. Come by, make your sport bike dreams come true. This gorgeous Honda CBR650F Sport, only $59.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. This bike also comes equipped with rear quick release saddlebags that you can put on and take off very quickly and easily. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.